Welcome back, coaches. Spencer here, and in today's quick video, we're going to be talking about a brand new pro feature, copy and move. This allows you to copy and move top-level posts. But specifically in the video today, we're going to be talking about how you can use that feature combined with a group to create a shared library. So the first thing you need to understand is that all the members in this group need to be invited as admin members. So what you're going to do first, go to invite members, invite with email, enter their email name, and then change their role. Now they're going to have the ability to manipulate all the posts just like you. But for now, let's cancel. We don't need to do that. You can see that I've already got 2 members in here. Let's go back to the timeline. In the general channel, I'm going to suggest that you add a few notes here. You can literally copy what I've written in this video, some basic instructions. I'm not going to read through those just for the sake of speed here. Now, I've got my different channels here. You can see that this one's geared a little bit more towards golf. If I go to putting, you can see there's a great video in here already. It's got some tags. Click the upper right. And now I can move this post completely out of the group to some other space. Wouldn't suggest that because now it's going to be gone and no longer in the group, but you can copy it. So when you go to copy, you can edit some of the content here, which is great. And then you're going to choose your location. You could add it to a list. So let's say you got a bunch of people you want to send it to, or you can go to a specific space. Not going to do that. Very self-explanatory. Once you copy it, it ends up there. So one other thing I want to show you very quickly is how you can add a lot of content into a channel the first time you create it. What we're going to do is go to this tab here, and you're going to see that I'm inside of templates. I'm not going to show you how to fully create a template. It's very easy, but we have videos on that. But you can see I've already got posts in here. Now, if I wanted to reorganize these posts, hit the gear setting, reorder. Let's say I wanted this one to actually be on top, okay? Update. Now you can see this is reorganized. So now what I'm gonna do is go back to this group, create a channel. I'm gonna call this Full Swing Drill, okay? Auto join. I can add some context here if I want, but I'm gonna skip that just for a sec. And then I'm going to navigate to this particular template. I've got a lot of templates. You probably won't have so many. Click here. Again, auto join, full swing drills. I've named the template so it's easy to find. Create channel. Now what's going to happen is going to add everybody to the group into that channel. And voila, I've now got all the content in here. Super, super simple. So again, recapping, this is going to be a great feature for anybody that is in a coaching organization, whether it be an academy, a gym, or an Olympic program, or just anybody that you want to be collaborating with and sharing resources. Remember though, everybody must be a pro member to have access to this feature, and they must have the right permissions in the group, meaning that they need to be an admin. You need to make sure that you invite them using the email feature here and change their access. One other note, they will get a notification in the app as long as the email is the same with their CoachNow accounts. So they don't need to actually go to their email to accept the invitation. They can do that from within CoachNow. All right, that does it. You now have the power as a pro member to create a shared library. Go get after it and let us know how it went. We're here to help. See you next time.